The series of activities of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ in Japan drew praise from the Filipino community, highlighted by the successful 2025 summer camp and a special Thanksgiving presentation. Ivy Astilo reports from Kanagawa.
From cultural dances to heartfelt songs of praise, the spirit of unity was alive at the 2025 Summer Camp of KOJC at Japan, attended by Filipinos and friends from various places.
The 2025 KOJC Summer Camp was held in Kanagawa, joined by kingdom-like congregations from Tokyo, Saitama, Ibaraki, Nagoya, Gunma, Osaka, Kyoto, Fukuoka, and even from South Korea. It featured cultural dances from the Philippines, Japan, and South Korea. As well as songs of praise and thanksgiving to the Almighty Father. This year's summer camp was special as it was the first time the Filipino community or Philcom in Japan joined the event.
Nagpapasalamat din sila kay Pastor dahil kahit first time silang sumali sa 10th summer camp sa gathering ng KOGC, madali sila nakablend dahil sa before pa, napakinggan na nila si Pastor doon sa Sage at nagbago yung pananaw nila.
Brother Linito shares that many attendees gain a deeper understanding of Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy's true story during the 16th-day KOJC Siege, which enlightened and inspired them. The Filipino community in Japan also admires Pastor Kibuloy's vision for the Philippines, actively supporting his campaign during the 2025 elections. That is why they continue to attend every KOJC gathering.
Kahit anong kultura pa, kung saan ka pagaling, Bisaya ka man, Tagalog ka man, o Japanese ka man, o Korean ka man. Kaya yung team natin, nag-represent din yun sa, sa lahat ng mga presentation na ginawa ng summer camp. Kaya merong culture dance ng Korea, ng Japan, at ng Pilipinas. So pinagbuklod.
Aside from the summer camp, KOJC Japan also held a special Thanksgiving and worship presentation to thank the Almighty Father for His continued guidance and their mission in the land of the rising sun. Filipino attendees joined and worshiped, lifting prayers for Pastor Kibuloy's strength amid ongoing challenges. Here are the messages of gratitude to the good pastor.
At ako'y nagpapasalamat, lalong-lalo na sa pagbibigay ng pagkakataon na maging kabahagi kami ng iyong pagbibigay ng kaliwanagan. At ito ay nagpapatunay lamang na dapat mong ipagpatuloy ang iyong gawain at ito ay dapat halintunaran ng bawat Pilipino o buong sambayan ng Pilipino. At sana po, tatag lang, Pastor, sana ito na yung end of your month na makalabas ka na. As the Father po.
Itong experience na ito, treasure namin to, ay ano to, forever na hindi namin makakalimutan. Sana imbitahin ulit kami at magiging KOJC na kami ba? Tuloy-tuloy, yung steadiness. Tuloy-tuloy yung nakaschedule na summer camp, tuloy-tuloy yung intrams. Ang ganda-ganda talaga kasi hindi natitinag. And that to me is truly admirable.
Excited na excited po sila, Pastor. Ang Filipino community, lalong-lalo na yung sa RDPU. Talagang inaantay ka nila, Pastor. Gusto nila na makabalik na po kayo dito, Pastor, para sa KICT. At hopefully, Pastor, pag ipagkakalob ng Ama, dito na tayo sa Tokyo, Pastor, mag-KICT. yung sinabi niyo po, Pastor, na lakihan yung venue, sigurado mapupuno yung Pastor. Kasi sa dami na po ng mga followers po ninyo na mula sa Filipino community. Praise the Father. Salamat po, Pastor.
The 2025 KOJC Summer Camp in Japan stands as a powerful reminder that under the kingdom's message, diverse cultures can come together united in faith and purpose. This is Ivy Astilio, your global citizen correspondent, reporting from East World.